I want to talk about the core principles underlying the code and how they can help you on exam day. Now, if you find that an ethics-related scenario doesn't quite hit on one of the code standards perfectly, and you find yourself in this gray area of, is this actually unethical, or is it a violation, or is it even problematic? Well, if you're not sure, you can take any scenario and look at it through the lens of the core principles. Benefit others, treat others with compassion, dignity, and respect, behave with integrity, and ensure competence. Ask yourself, does this scenario compromise the practitioner's ability to benefit others, and does it only benefit the practitioner instead of benefiting other people? If yes, then there may be an ethical dilemma. Does the scenario describe a situation in which the practitioner is not treating others with compassion, dignity, and respect? If it does, there may be an ethical dilemma. Does the scenario describe a practitioner who is not behaving with integrity, whether it's not fulfilling responsibilities to the profession or to people, or being dishonest in some aspect of their professional life? If so, there may be an ethical dilemma. Or is there a scenario in which a practitioner is not practicing within our profession's scope of practice, or within their own scope of competence, or they're not maintaining or ensuring competence? If so, then there may be an ethical dilemma. So on test questions, don't just look for clear-cut code standard violations. If test questions describe practitioners not behaving in a way that honors the core principles, then there may be a code violation.